Hello crew, welcome to my sauna build video. I've had this little pool shed here in the backyard for a long time now. There used to be a little bar in the corner there, but I've been saying for years that it'd be a nice spot to have a sauna. Then we could use the pool in winter, we could do the hot cold therapy. So I've already made a start with the framing, and today I'm going to finish the framing off and put it all into place. Yeah, it took a while to decide on the design because I kind of worked around what materials I had as to what dimensions and that sort of thing. So I managed to find some Western red cedar at the scrapyard, but I could only get 12 square meters of it. So that kind of confined how big I could make the sauna. And yeah, it's going to be like a 3-person sauna, electric heater, so I'll have to run the electrical cable. Decided to go with Jarrah for the framing because treated pine, yeah, not so good for saunas. And if I went untreated down the back here, yeah, potential for termites to get into it. So I decided to go with Jarrah, a bit harder to work with, but yeah, should be sweet for termites and no worries with the sauna heat cycles. What else? As with all these little projects I do, kind of make it up as we go. This will be the door.
What do you think about it? She's gonna be the sauna thing!
Put it on this wood.
On this wall.
Yep. On the end of this ground bit. On top. Over the edge. On the edge. Yep. Okay, perfect. Oh, it's split in half.
Oh, it's split in half. Hey, how did it do that? Gonna get two.
Oh.
Let me do it.
Alright, anyone's fine, you can bang them in. Look, there's one there. Hello, my name is.
Hurrah! My name's Angus.
Alright crew, thanks for watching. Probably going to make this video 3-part. We'll do first part this video with the framing. Second part will be external cladding and the electrical pre-wire. And then third part will be internal fit out. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and let me know if there's anything you want to see more of in these videos or anything less. Otherwise, yeah, see you in the next one.